You're gonna love the 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, blind spot monitor, tire pressure monitoring system, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.